Throughout this course, I've offered some suggestions on where to go next on the continuation of your journey into graphic design, and I'd just like to recap on those here. For typography, I highly recommend the Graphic Design Foundations Typography course by Ina Saltz. The course by Jim Krause on Colour for Design and Art will give you tons of detail on building and applying colour palettes, and my mate Nigel French has some great courses on the library, including one specifically about mastering grids in InDesign, cunningly named Designing with Grids in InDesign. Further down the stream, in terms of the workflow stream, it's really worth spending some time learning about print production with Claudia McHugh, and there's even a bi-weekly series with senior staff author John McQuaid that will keep you on that learning curve, so make sure you check out graphic design tips and tricks too. I'd be doing myself a disservice, of course, if I didn't mention my own courses on Illustrator and the Adobe mobile tools, so do try and get a look at those.